E-commerce. Historically, commerce referred to as buying and selling goods. With the rise of technology, commerce has taken on a new form. These days, people are buying and selling goods online. The act of selling and buying a commodity over the internet is known as e-commerce. To facilitate this process, thousands of websites are available as platforms for different types of people like consumers, producers, sellers, etc. These platforms help different people to connect and trade goods and services. Types of e-commerce. Buying and selling of goods involve different types of people with different necessities. This creates different categories of e-commerce. Let us take a look at these different categories. Business to business, B2B. If a company buys or sells products or services to other companies online through a sales portal, it is known as the business to business model of e-commerce. Example: https://www.indiamart.com, https www.tradeindia.com, etc. Business to consumer, B2C. When a website is established by a company to sell its products and services to consumers, it is known as the business to consumer model of e-commerce. Example: www.amazon.in, www.myvoltas.in. Consumer to consumer, C2C. There are various websites that allow buying and selling between the consumers. They offer free auctions where one can buy and sell products. Example: www.quikr.in, www.ebay.in, etc. Applications of e-commerce. Some of the main applications of e-commerce are e-shopping, e-banking, and m-commerce. E-shopping. Shopping on the internet is called e-shopping. A customer surfs many e-commerce websites and selects a product of his or her choice. Once the product is selected, the customer proceeds to order the product. The ordered product is then delivered to the customer's doorstep. For e-shopping, we just need a device, computer, mobile phone, or tablet with an internet connection. E-banking. E-banking is a method of banking in which the customer conducts transaction electronically via the internet. E-banking is also known as virtual banking, online banking, or internet banking. Services provided by e-banking are managing deposit accounts, online fund transfers, ATM services, electronic data exchange, etc. This is the service provided by the banks in which we have an account. To access these services, we need to contact the bank. The bank provides the username and password through which we can log into the e-portal of the bank. M-commerce. Mobile commerce, also known as m-commerce, refers to the online buying and selling of products using handheld devices like mobile phones and tablets. It is a subset of e-commerce. Examples of m-commerce are in-app purchases, mobile banking, marketplace apps like the Amazon mobile app, digital wallets such as Google Pay, Apple Pay, mobile ticketing, etc.